Assalamu alaikum. Theme 4, Chapter 2, Communicating with Numbers, Lesson 8, 9, and 10. These are the last lessons in this chapter. In this chapter, we have learned how to communicate with numbers, how to use numbers, and how it gives us useful information. Now, open your book, page 124. Today, we will use numbers to tell us a story. Do you remember in math, we have studied word problems or story problems. This is how we tell a story and we use numbers to solve this problem. Okay, in this page, I will tell you a story and we will use number to represent this story. First story, I was going home from the school. I found 5 pebbles. What the meaning of pebbles? Pebbles is small stones. And then I go home and counted my pebbles and I found them 5. The first picture you have here is 5 pebbles. Second day, when I was going home, I found 4 twigs. The meaning of twigs? Twigs is small branch of a tree. I found 4 twigs. And then I went to home and I counted my twigs. I found them 4. How many objects I have at home now? Okay, I have 5 pebbles and I have 4 twigs. Let's count them all. I will find them. Excellent, 9. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. This equation, I have small number and a small number and it gives me a big number. This means that it is addition or subtraction math problem. Excellent, it is addition because the number become bigger. Let's go to the second story. The second story, my friend liked to collect objects too. She collected 8 pebbles. She collected how many? 8 pebbles. So we will draw 8 pebbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then she gave me 4 of them because she know that I like to collect objects too. So she has 8 and she gave me 4. How many she has now? We will cross away the 4 that she gave to me. So now she has 4 because 8 minus 4 equals 4. Is this an addition or subtraction problem? It is a subtraction because I have a big number and I take away a small number and it gives me a small number. 4 is small. My number gets smaller. So it is a subtraction problem. Circle the word subtraction. Okay, now turn the page. It's your own story. You can draw any story, addition or subtraction. I'll give you an example and you can do the same example or any other example you like. For example, I have an addition. I can say that I have 5 people live in my home. I have 5 people live in my home. So I will draw 5 people. 3, 4, and 5. Okay. And then my cousin and her husband come to live with us. My cousin and her husband come to live with us. So we will add to our home 2 other person. So add means plus. And I will draw another 2. Let's count how many people we have in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we can say that 5 plus 2 equals 7. It is an addition problem. I added people to my home. We were 5 people and there's 2 come to live with us, so we added people and they become 7. The number get bigger. So it is an addition problem. Addition means plus. Okay, here he wants you to draw a subtraction problem. Subtraction means to take away, so the number will become smaller. For example, I will tell you, I bought 5 oranges from the market and yesterday I ate 2. So the total number is 5. Let's draw 5 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I ate how many? I ate 2. So we will cross 2. How many left? 3. So they were 5 and become 3. The number gets smaller. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. Excellent. Here minus, because subtraction, minus sign, and the number gets smaller. In the above, the addition problem, 5 plus 2, so I added 2. This is why it becomes 7, bigger. The second one, 5 minus 2, I take away 2, so it becomes 3, which is smaller. I think you know how to draw a story problem. You can draw any story you want. In the next page, 127 and 129, if you were in the class, you will stand and present your story. We will see your story and you will evaluate yourself, how many stars you have, what you like the best, addition or subtraction. And in 129, you will evaluate your friends' stories. Thank you so much.